which country you came from?
Belgium.
Belgium, just for Haqeeqi Azadi March?
To visit family, but also to see the march.
Right. So why are you supporting Imran Khan? Like, tell our audience.
Because I feel like he's the leader we need and also the leader that we deserve. I feel like he can be the solution to end all the corruption, and I think it's time for a change.
Well, what message you want to give to our Pakistani as being an overseas Pakistani?
Just have hope, and I hope there can be a re-election so that everyone can vote for Imran Khan.
Yeah. What about the rule of law here and the difference between Belgium and Pakistan?
I mean, it's two completely different countries. You can't compare them.
Well, I can say that that's a developed country and it's a developing country, but still, you living there and you experiencing that sort of laws and the practical implementation there, and then you comes here, what the change you see here? And what the flaws we have?
I'm going to be honest, I haven't been back in 9 years because COVID, family changes, wedding. So I feel like there's progress, and I feel like Imran Khan didn't have enough time to do what he was supposed to do. But I noticed that things already have changed. The infrastructure is a bit more better. The regulations are a bit more better. I see tourism is coming back again more and more, and I feel like that's thanks to him, and he just didn't have enough time. I mean, there's still work to do, but it's getting there.
So what message you want to give to the overseas Pakistani who are living in abroad?
People who have the Pakistani nationality, please go and vote if you have the chance, if there's going to be a re-election. And we have to support our country back here as well.
Right.
Yeah.
What message you want to give to our Pashtun community, especially to the women who rarely comes out on the election day to vote? Pashto में पश्तो के तासु वर्ता सब मैसेज वर्का हुए.
No, pakariche. The day voting dear important है ना. Pakariche day मराशी voting उके च خپل ملک की interest رابشي دا dear important है. च सिर्फ कोर्ट ना नास्ते. No, it's important to be politically involved.
Right. Thank you so much.